Welcome, Milano family, once again to the beautiful Kim and Brian Get Us Home. There's no Brian, we got Kim. All right, but there's a lot of things that transpired in the construction that we did, but I want Kim to explain it because she knows firsthand because she was here. This was first their beach house because they lived in another state, and now they're here permanently. So there's a lot of things that transpired. Hopefully all of you saw what happened in the kitchen, in the master bathroom, et cetera, et cetera. But now, Kim, tell us what exactly happened here.
So now you're walking into what used to be the covered porch.
So this is a porch. This is outside. We're technically outside.
It wasn't screened or anything. It was just a porch. So this, this was a door. Now we put the barn door.
So this was a door that closed, and this was just outside.
Yep, the whole thing.
Okay.
And I wanted a laundry room. And originally we were just going to do a half bath. And actually my husband had the idea to could we do a full bath? And Jack said, yeah, there's plenty of room. So we did a full bath, which is great.
Doodle on this way.
And you did, so of course they did all the flooring.
All the floors. This is wonderful. It's beautiful. I love it.
And it matched perfect. Added a window.
Oh, fabulous. Oh, I love it.
Of course, this.
So again, remember, this was all open.
Yeah. Now it's a 4-season room, heated air. So they, broke in and opened up some more vents.
So all the electrical,
all electrical,
plumbing, etc.
So
Explain to us now.
I needed a laundry room. Obviously my laundry washer dryer used to be in the pantry. So this is what we did here. And I wanted some cabinetry around it for some extra storage.
So then this technically goes out to, can I open it?
It goes outside.
It goes out to the patio. If we open that up. Excuse me.
And complete maintenance free. The stairs.
Oh, these stairs, these are the Trex. Thanks, Shayna.
Yeah.
But they're wonderful. They're not going to rot. I mean, with the wood, you're at the beach.
Just because you're at the beach. Yeah.
I mean, it's
nothing is metal or anything.
No.
It's all the PVC.
It's fantastic.
And then you put in all the recessed lights.
Nice. It's really, really beautiful.
Yeah. This is my daughter's favorite bathroom when she comes home to visit.
Really?
Yeah, loves it.
Oh.
Loves the shower. And then, so
this is beautiful porcelain. If you can come on in, I don't know, take a little bit, or maybe you can see it within the frameless glass, but it's just amazing. With the shower system, she's got the gold flare that is matching with everything. That's all the new stuff is all matching. This gives a little impactful look with the porcelain. The drawers, I'm sorry to bother you to look over this way, but to have more space inside of the drawers, it's really amazing with the Lior cabinetry that they have the cutout here. So you have your plumbing that's coming down in the back, but they have the cutout in the middle, so you're able to continue to keep a large space so you can have a lot of stuff. I mean, this is fantastic. And once again, with her eye, she's got her gold and stuff. And here's the Calacatta Romano that's continued throughout. So one thing to remember, though, too, when you're buying a quartz, you're buying slabs. So it's a huge 55 or thereabout square feet slabs. And so there's several in the kitchen. But then, mind you, one more, whatever, we split it up between this bathroom, the other bathroom, whatever, just to kind of equal everything out. So anywho, let's go back out to be with Kim. And you know what? Get over here. So I think we're at the tail end of everything. Yes. And your home is beautiful, and we're so proud to be here and so happy. And thank you. And anything else that you would like to say to any of the Milano viewers that are watching?
I mean, I would just say, if you have anything to do with your home, to call Milano. They are top notch, and it was just fabulous from start to finish.
Sweet.
It was.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
They're going to do my whole outside next.
Oh, she makes me cry. All right, guys. So Milano, thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the showroom. And thank you so much, Kim. You're just wonderful. You made me cry. I have little tears in my eyes.
Well, good.
I know. All right, we'll see you next time.